Number 1. Negotiate your salary. As you gain more experience in your career, don't hesitate to negotiate your salary. Research industry standards and prepare a compelling case for why you deserve a raise. Highlight your accomplishments, skills, and contributions to the company. Regularly reassessing your worth can significantly boost your income over time. Consider negotiating not just for a higher base salary, but also for additional benefits such as stock options, bonuses, or more vacation days. Equip yourself with salary data from sources like Glassdoor and PayScale to back up your requests. Number 2. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in property deals with relatively low capital. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Peer Street offer opportunities to invest in commercial and residential properties. This can diversify your investment portfolio and provide passive income from real estate without the hassle of managing properties. Start by researching different platforms to understand their fees, minimum investment requirements, and the types of projects they offer. Diversify your investments across multiple properties to spread risk. Number 3. Become a mentor or coach. Leverage your professional experience to become a mentor or coach. Offer career coaching, business consulting, or personal development mentoring. Create packages for one-on-one sessions, workshops, or online courses. This not only generates income, but also helps you build a reputation as an expert in your field. Develop a strong online presence through a professional website and social media profiles. Gather testimonials from satisfied clients to build credibility and attract more business. Number 4. Start a podcast. Share your knowledge and passions by starting a podcast. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create engaging, valuable content. Monetize your podcast through sponsorships, advertisements, and listener donations on platforms like Patreon. Building a loyal audience can lead to significant income and opportunities for networking and collaboration. Invest in good quality recording equipment and editing software to ensure your podcast sounds professional. Consistently publish new episodes to keep your audience engaged. Number 5. Write and publish a book. Use your expertise to write and publish a book. Whether it's a professional guide, a self-help book, or a novel, publishing can provide a new income stream. Utilize self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or seek traditional publishing deals. Promote your book through social media, your network, and speaking engagements. Engage with your readers through book signings, online discussions, and newsletters to build a community around your work. Number 6. Host workshops or webinars. Organize and host workshops or webinars on topics you're knowledgeable about. These can be related to your profession, hobbies, or personal growth. Charge a fee for attendance and provide valuable, actionable content. Use platforms like Zoom, Teachable, or Eventbrite to manage and market your events. Record your sessions and offer them as on-demand content for additional revenue. Partner with other experts to broaden your audience and offer more comprehensive content. Number 7. Develop an app. If you have a knack for technology, consider developing an app. Identify a gap in the market or a problem that needs solving and create an app to address it. Monetize through in-app purchases, ads, or subscription models. Partner with developers if you lack the technical skills to build the app yourself. Conduct thorough market research to validate your app idea and understand your target audience. Launch a beta version to gather user feedback and refine your app before a full release. Number 8. Get involved in peer advising networks. Join peer advising networks where professionals share their expertise and advice in exchange for compensation. Websites like GLG or Maven Research connect experts with clients needing specific knowledge. This can be a flexible way to leverage your expertise for extra income. Create a detailed profile highlighting your areas of expertise and past accomplishments. Participate in advisory calls, surveys, and consultations to provide valuable insights to clients. Number 9. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks provide regular income through dividend payments. Research and invest in companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Reinvest dividends to compound your returns over time. This strategy can create a steady income stream and grow your investment portfolio. Look for dividend aristocrats, companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts for many years. Diversify your dividend stock holdings across different industries to reduce risk. Number 10. Engage in social media management. Use your social media skills to offer management services to businesses and individuals. Help clients grow their online presence, engage with their audience, and create content. Charge a monthly retainer or per project fee. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer can help streamline your social media management efforts. Develop a content calendar for your clients and use analytics tools to track performance and make data-driven improvements. Number 11. Become a personal trainer or fitness coach. If you're passionate about fitness, consider becoming a personal trainer or fitness coach. Obtain certification and offer your services online or in person. Create personalized workout plans, host group classes, or provide one-on-one training sessions. Promote your services through social media and local fitness centers. Build an online presence by sharing fitness tips, workout routines, and client success stories. Consider offering virtual training sessions to reach a broader audience. Number 12. Rent out equipment or space. If you have equipment or space that others might need, consider renting it out. This could include tools, camera gear, musical instruments, or even your home or car. Websites like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama make it easy to rent out items and generate extra income. Ensure your items are in good condition and create clear rental agreements to protect your property. Utilize online reviews to build a positive reputation and attract more renters. Number 13. Offer virtual assistant services. With many businesses operating online, there's a growing demand for virtual assistants. Offer administrative, technical, or creative support to entrepreneurs and small businesses. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling, social media, and customer service. Platforms like Upwork, Belay, and Time@cc connect virtual assistants with clients. Highlight your organizational skills, attention to detail, and ability to handle multiple tasks efficiently to attract clients. Consider specializing in a niche, such as real estate or e-commerce, to stand out. Number 14. Participate in focus groups. Join focus groups and participate in market research studies. Companies often pay for consumer feedback on products and services. Sign up with market research firms like focusgroup.com, user testing, and respondent.io to find opportunities. This can be a flexible way to earn extra money while sharing your opinions. Provide detailed and thoughtful feedback to increase your chances of being selected for more studies. Number 15. Launch a subscription box service. Create a subscription box service tailored to a specific niche or interest. Curate products that your target audience will love and deliver them monthly. Market your service through social media, influencers, and a dedicated website. Platforms like Cratejoy can help you manage your subscription box business. Focus on creating a unique and high-quality experience for subscribers to encourage loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Number 16. Offer specialized workshops. Leverage your expertise to offer specialized workshops in your field. This could be anything from coding boot camps to cooking classes. Charge a fee for attendance and provide high-value content. Promote your workshops through your professional network, social media, and local community centers. Record your workshops and offer them as on-demand content for additional revenue. Partner with other experts to broaden your audience and offer more comprehensive content. Number 17. Get involved in real estate syndication. Real estate syndication involves pooling funds with other investors to buy large properties. This allows you to invest in larger deals than you could on your own. Research syndication opportunities and partner with experienced syndicators. This can provide passive income and potential for significant returns. Review the track record of syndicators and thoroughly understand the terms of the syndication agreement before investing. Number 18. Create and sell online courses. Use your knowledge to create and sell online courses. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera allow you to reach a global audience. Develop high-quality, comprehensive courses on topics you're passionate about. Promote your courses through your website, social media, and email marketing. Offer free webinars or samples to attract students and demonstrate the value of your content. Gather testimonials and reviews from satisfied students to build credibility. Number 19. Invest in small businesses. Consider investing in small businesses or startups. Use platforms like AngelList or Seed Invest to find investment opportunities. Research thoroughly and diversify your investments to mitigate risks. This can provide significant returns if the businesses succeed. Network with other investors and attend pitch events to discover promising ventures. Stay involved with your investments by offering advice and support to the business owners. Number 20. Build a personal brand. Focus on building a personal brand that showcases your expertise and personality. Use social media, blogging, and public speaking to establish yourself as an authority in your field. A strong personal brand can attract clients, job offers, and other income-generating opportunities. Consistently provide value to your audience and engage with them regularly. Collaborate with other influencers and thought leaders to expand your reach and credibility.